In the Beacon Hill neighborhood of Seattle, there's a cozy little spot where you can get some amazing food. Homer is the perfect name for this little spot, with the open concept and open fire creating a homey atmosphere for a night out. And with food like this, there's no way anyone is going home hungry.
Familiar foods in combinations that I never have dreamed of.
Local ingredients, seasonal ingredients.
It always hits, it's unique, it's different, a little Northwest, but also a little global as well, so it's wonderful.
So it's definitely inspired by the Middle Eastern and Mediterranean flavors, but I always say it's through the lens of the Pacific Northwest.
Husband and wife duo Sara and Logan work together to make Homer something to remember fondly. While Sara works to make the space lively and relaxed, Logan focuses on making sure the best Washington ingredients are used for his dishes.
Knowing the person that grows the vegetable or raises the lamb or catches the fish, it really gives you an even higher appreciation of the ingredient that you're going to be cooking. You really take ownership of the thing that your friend grew for you.
Although it's with basic ingredients, it's always complex with interesting spices.
There's a lot of thought that goes into how the components of the dish are put together.
Just a real jolt for the palate. Things that you swear I've never tasted before, and they're familiar foods. It's wonderful.
There's always lots of little dishes. People can share and spread things. They're literally like, breaking their bread to dip in it with each other. And I think that kind of creates the atmosphere and makes a really fun dining experience.
Don't go away, because later on in the show, Chef Logan and I are making a special Asian pear salad.
Land, sea, mountains, Pacific Northwest all on one plate.
Yes!
There you go.
Perfect!